Well, you know, even after a big blizzard, you got to hand it to the little gnome guys. They're still out here working diligently to get their rig going. Definitely got to hand it to them. All right, folk. All right, folk. Well, this is how we do it over here in New England. You got Dougie's old Dodge over here. So we have to dig ourselves out. He's got his little kitchen area over here. He's got the little sitting area over here. So then we got to come over to my side where I am far. Look at this. Look at this. No ice, no nothing here compared to over there. So now we got the whole little area here ready to rock and roll. So New England van life, get her done, y'all. All right, folk, how's it going? Well, hung out with the folk down there on the block for a while this morning. Finally got my old place a bit situated. There was still some snow and everything that had fallen from where they plowed, so I just kind of like drove in and out until I flattened that snow, and I was able to park in my spot, no problem. But got up this morning, came out, and I threw a little track on there with me and Doug and everybody hanging out there, and he had parked his van, and now that spot is usually in the mornings when I'm coming to say hi to everybody downtown. I'll park there, so we have my little space cleared out, his little space cleared out, so we've got our own little spot there. It's all cleared out for the van life. And so anyways, I'm over at Buddy's house waiting for him. He went to work today. He started back with his regular crew working, so I'm over here waiting for him to get back. Snagged me a little breakfast. Check this out, not too shabby. So we got let me get a better look here. Yeah, so we got some sausage, we got eggs, grits, got a couple biscuits here. The only bummer about the biscuits is it's biscuits and butter, which is just fine, no problem. But I wish I had some of the white pepper gravy, the country gravy to put over them. But anyway, so the sausage, grits, eggs, can't complain. Oh, yeah. 2 banging donuts to go with them too. I got... The powdered one is filled with lemon, and the other one is like a chocolate s'mores type donut. So it's not a bad breakfast this morning. But yeah, I'm going to hang here for a little while, at least wait till Buddy gets back. One of the things I like to be around, so some of the phone calls come in for Mark, and I don't know why they're not calling Buddy's cell phone. They call the house phone. So I like to be here. I get some of the messages so I can relay them to Buddy, so he knows when to call or when they are going to call. So anyways, I'm going to stick around here for a while, wait for him to get home. And then I might go out, see if anybody's out, say hi to them. If not, just skedaddle back to my spot. But till then, I'll catch you later, folk. Have a good one. Hey, all right, folk. Well, check it out over here. Whoosh. The Budster just got back. He's over there chopping up some onions, some green peppers. What you got? Mushrooms? Mushrooms for tomorrow, because he's going to do saute all that to put on top of his steak tomorrow. And I'm just chilling over here. I got the computer going and checking out a bunch of the music that I had downloaded for the videos and everything. And I forgot, I got like six or seven folders full of cool music that I downloaded and everything for the videos. So I'm just going through, trying to remember all the different songs I have. Since I got the computer back, I got the songs so I can use with my editor and all that stuff for the videos. But yeah, so I'm gonna hang out with Budster for a while and probably shoot the poopy and talk for a while and and then take off, find my landing zone and chill out for the night and go park. Think I know where I'm going tonight. But anyways, that's probably gonna be it today. Short one. So till next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is now.